Recently, the US declared the Balochistan Liberation Army and its terrorist organization, Majid Brigade, as foreign terrorist organizations. This significant announcement came at a time when Pakistan's Army Chief Asim Munir was on a visit to the US. The US State Department stated that Majid Brigade is considered a part of the BLA and has also been added to the special designated global terrorist list. The main objective of this move is to fight terrorism and effectively curb the funding and support to such organizations. BLA was formed in the early 2000s and its primary aim is to separate Balochistan from Pakistan and establish an independent state. BLA claims that Pakistani government has sidelined the Baloch people economically and politically. BLA members mainly come from the Marri, Bugdi and Mengal tribes, and the current leadership is held by Bashir Jait. The funding sources of the organization remain unclear, but it is believed to raise funds through smuggling, drug trade and income from Balochistan's coal mines. Majid Brigade is considered BLA's special force. This brigade is equipped with modern weapons and explosives, and its members, who are said to be in number between 100 to 150, have been using US military equipment since the withdrawal of US forces from Afghanistan. The brigade is named after two brothers, Majid Langos Sr. and Jr., who are believed to be responsible for several major attacks in Pakistan, including the 2018 attack on the Chinese consulate in Karachi, the 2019 attack on the Pearl Continental Hotel in Gwadar, and 2020 attack on the Karachi Stock Exchange. In March 2025, BLA attacked the Jafar Express train, blowing up the tracks. This US move could prove to be a diplomatic win for Pakistan, potentially aiding its fight against terrorism. It may effectively curb BLA and Majid Brigade's funding and enable legal action against their supporters. Just before this decision, a Baloch leader had written to the US president claiming that the natural resources of Balochistan do not belong to Pakistan and should not be sold to any foreign power. For India, this decision sends mixed signals. On one hand, Pakistan could use this step to bolster its terrorism victim image, potentially diminishing the impact of India's acquisitions. On the other hand, the projects related to China-Pakistan Economic Corridor in Balochistan might accelerate, which could benefit China and strengthen its strategic hold. Some experts believe this decision may weaken the international recognition of the Baloch movement. India should adopt a balanced and effective strategy in this situation. Firstly, India should continue presenting evidence of Pakistan-backed terrorist organizations, anti-India activities and international forums so that Pakistan does not succeed in establishing its terrorism victim image. Secondly, India should closely monitor the expansion and security arrangements of China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, as this could strengthen China's strategic position against India. Thirdly, India should diplomatically pressure Pakistan on human rights violations in Balochistan and within Pakistan to draw global attention to the situation in these regions. Fourthly, India should enhance security and intelligence cooperation with the US and other partner countries to ensure its strategic position in South Asia remains secure and it has an effective control over regional developments. The US designation of BLA and Majid Brigade as terrorist organizations is a diplomatic opportunity for Pakistan, but it also presents a strategic challenge for India. India will need to take strong steps to balance and strengthen its diplomacy in this situation to maintain its national security and international relations. Viewers, let's conclude the discussion here and note today's question. US sanctions on BLA and Majid Brigade could strengthen Pakistan's terrorism victim image, posing a challenge for India. Analyze this statement and suggest diplomatic strategies for India.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.